Alright, fuckers and fuckettes, what we're going to talk about today is basic fuel line safety. See, a lot of these people, I guess they used to work at marinas or something where you can get away with that shit. They use these goddamn zip ties. You see that shit? That shit's all wiggly. Let's check this other one here. See that shit? I can wiggle that shit. That ain't holding nothing. You know, and, okay, that one's good. That one I can spin around and it ain't holding shit. That one is holding, but I can still spin it around. See these two up here? That one's good. This one I can spin it around, it ain't holding shit. And a lot of guys use these damn zip ties. They think they're God's gift to fucking speed or something. Well, let me tell you something. If you take a 11-second bike like that, and actually this one will turn in the high 10s, and put that bullshit on there, well, the man ain't racing the night that the fucking clamps are screwing up on him. But we thank God every day that Napa exists for just this reason, because guess what? Cut them fuckers off there. That's the first thing I do when I see that somebody did that bullshit. Actually, it's not, because I've already cleaned the bottom of these carbs. But before I put this shit back together, she gonna have the right clamps. And you see, I see a lot of these shops that do that shit. And that is Mickey Mouse. And I see that I'm going to have to replace some O-rings in there, because I don't trust that. That's too sloppy. Well, these are called Corbin clamps. You get them at Napa. And they might not be as easy to use as a fucking zip tie, but you know what? Pretty sure come race day, that man ain't gonna be as pissed off as he was about this shit. And somebody put zip ties on there. I ain't gonna mention no names, but the shop that he mentioned to me was Precision Cycle. Which I hope to God they're not doing that crappy work, because I've been recommending them to people. Yeah. Maybe them hose clamps are fine if somebody's running regular gas or something. But on these bikes burning alcohol, that shit don't hold, and you got leaks, and you got $7 a gallon fucking race fuel all over the track instead of down your fucking engine's throat where it belongs. That was nice and easy. And this is not hard to do, and if you need a part number on what the Corbin clamps are, Napa makes them in all kind of fucking sizes. surprised this thing even passed a fucking track inspection with that stupid goddamn zip tie shit on the fuel lines. Somebody must have been sleeping when they inspected this goddamn thing. And no, by the way, this KZ1000 is not that KZ1000. But it runs right up there with it. This boy give me a good run for my money. And I mean, it's not that hard to put these Corbin clamps on. If it seems like this video is ragging on the shop that fucked this boy over and screwed him out of a race day by putting these goddamn stupid fucking zip ties on, well, that's exactly what it is. That is not it's not a safe nor sane thing to do. It's the wrong thing to do. As a general rule, I mean, what if that boy would have been running his race gas on the street? Fuck, with that leaky ass exhaust, what if he'd actually started it before he discovered the fuel leak? I mean, this thing throws some pretty good little flames. Here, folks, is don't be using that zip tie shit. If you can't get the right clamps, please God, get out of the fucking business. Motorcycles ain't boats. Actually, I don't even like seeing that zip tie shit on boats, but I know a lot of guys do it. I've also seen a few boats catch fire as a result. Get on there. There we go. Thank you. Uh-oh, my boy from Venice Record Service is here. Alright, I'll holler at y'all fuckers and fuckettes later. I just figured I'd show you, hey, them clamps is the right ones. Don't use that fucked up ass zip tie shit. I'll holler at y'all fuckers and fuckettes later.